July the 22nd, 2021. And you know what's up? Let's go through the news. We are seeing some news on your screen right now, so no dawning. As you can see, I'm on Ireland. Let's see some news. Frank Edwards celebrates his 32nd birthday today. Frank Edwards is a gospel artist and is quite a very popular gospel musician. So you can see he celebrated his 32nd birthday today. My life is in danger. Actress Okoro cries out for help after she was nearly killed. Foot Minna graduating student rocks cheated in every exam t-shirt. Let's see, then I will turn back. This is quite funny. I saw this on this same Ireland today and I was like, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Just see the picture. Cheated in every exam. And this guy don't graduate just because the Senate has approved his graduating status now. He's now showing that he cheated. Should they now reverse his graduation or what? Like, what is he trying to claim? What is he trying to feel like? You know. So another news here we have, I will make a beautiful bride. FFK, that's Femi Fani-Kayode, who is a former aviation minister of Nigeria. He was minister of aviation during former Nigeria President Goodluck Jonathan regime, actually. Standby helicopter was to bring Igboho to nation, but Yoruba indigenes fought. This is by a lawyer. Madagascar's president Rajoelina survives assassination attempt. If you can remember that Haiti president was assassinated, I think that was 2 weeks back, on the 7th of July or thereabouts. Haiti's president was actually assassinated, so it's kind of something crazy. So another thing here, we have George Moghalu asks court to delist Andy Uba as APC candidate for Anambra Guba. So that's also part of the news. 2 million young Nigerians to get UNICEF job training. Jacob Zuma granted compassionate leave to attend his brother's funeral. This has been causing some uproar since the jailing of Jacob Zuma, former South African president. It has been causing uproar, but he has been granted a leave. They call it compassionate leave, as you can see here, just to attend his brother's funeral, something like that. Let me just check some news so we can move to some other news site and you can see some other exciting news that I have here for you. I want to go off from Ireland. Just look at it. I told Igboho to stay away after police searched my house. This is from his associate. Emanuela celebrates her 11th birthday with cute pictures. Woo! Emanuela celebrates her 11th birthday. You know what's up? Emanuela, happy birthday to you. We wish you all the very, very best. I mean, just look at what she has achieved in her life. 11 years. Oh, I opened Stella Damascus. Don't mind me. This is Emanuela. Can you see? Wonderful girl. 11 years birthday. She was born in 2010. Just look at what she has been able to achieve in her life. Even with this young age. With this very, very young age. Like, this is really, really amazing. If there is any other word to use, please let me look for that word to use. Very, very awesome. So you can see some other things. Let me just go to Linda Ikeji. Then I'll round it up at latestnigeriannews.com. You know what's up on latestnigeriannews.com. So let's go to Linda Ikeji and let's see how this goes also. So Linda Ikeji, what are the latest news today, Thursday, July 22? Let's see. 7 killed, 2 injured in motor accident along Minna Suleja Highway. You can read the details on Linda Ikeji blog. Thursday, that's what we have. Look at another news. Let me just allow the cookies here so I can flow with the news. So let me scroll through the news again. Actress Menla Swari recalls unusual weird moments in 1999. Kevin Spacey told her to go into a side room with him to prepare for an intimate scene. LG Poe, Lagos orders restriction of movement. So it has been said that there will be restriction of movement across the state between the hours of 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. on Saturday, 24 July 2021, because there will be local government polls in Lagos. Take note. Ladies, regardless of what we put you to, stay loyal to your man. Michael Blackson advises women after he proposed to his girlfriend. You can see. Ladies, stay loyal to your man. See another one here. Obi Kubana and wife vacation in Maldives Island days after staging a talk of the town in quotes funeral for his mom. You can know that Obi Kubana trended on social media space on a few days back with the talk of the town burial. Many people gifted in cows, over 300 cows. See the money that was splashed. Some people took money home and other things like that. 2023 presidency, there is no succession agreement between Buhari and Tinubu, VONDG and all that. So you can see. Let me just go to latestnigeriannews.com. Anything we can see from there, then we just take, and then I think that is cool like that. All right. So we move. Okay. Anything you see, just take it like that. So look at Punch. These are the things on Punch. You can see Igbo returns to sale as Benin court adjourns hearing till Friday. CBN to launch digital currency October 1. That's on Nigeria's 64th Independence Day and all that. So just check. So thank you very much for following through on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I remain Sheyi Speaks, Spice Success Inspirational. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.